All right, how you doing? So I want to talk to you today about this little fella. I really love this. It's an extendable selfie stick for a GoPro, or it says it for iPhones and stuff like that, but I wouldn't use that on there, to be honest. I'll explain in a moment. So that's it, closed. It's closed, you know, like that. So you can easily walk around with it, no problem. But what's great about it is it extends up to 3 meters. Got it on Amazon. I think it was $45 or something. I'll leave some details a bit later on. It's very, very light, carbon fiber thing, and it just opens out. And it's really easy to open, and it's no sort of, you know, it just sort of twists and locks, you know, it's just a twist and lock thing. So I'm coming at you. And you're less than 3 meters away from me, so I'm going to go right past you. But yeah, it's a beauty. It really is a beauty. And yeah, check out this bit of video. But yeah, for $45, which is pretty nothing, you get some amazing effects. You know, it'd be really good for, you know, if you're in a crowd or something. Not that we're doing that at the moment, but if you're in a sort of sports arena or something, or somewhere, pop that up. You're way above the sky, and you just get lovely little kind of cheap. Well, for $45, you get some really cheap looking, fantastic shots. Let's take a look at this a little bit more. But yeah, I think it's really worth it. So I've got this closed down at the moment. I mean, it's still a little bit big, to be honest, but it's all right just to sort of, you know, handheld around the place. It's pretty cool, actually. Nice and light. Right, let's extend it. Okay, so I've got it closed right now. I'm going to walk down to that car. I'm going to extend it and walk back, just to sort of do a bit of a test. Now, I reckon I'm using a GoPro 7 Black here. You're going to need a Black 7, 8 or 9. I think anything below that, which doesn't have the stabilization in, is going to be a bit rubbish, because it does wobble a little bit. It's a bit like a fishing rod. But let's have a look now. Right, so I'm selfieing away now. Sorry about that, you've got to look at my face. I should be using my GoPro 9. I've got a new 9 Black, which I've not used, which has got the screen on the front. This is the 7, so I can't see if I'm even pointing at myself. So this is the closed position. I'm going to change it and extend it for you. Okay, so this is fully extended here, and straight out in front of me pretty much, apart from a little angle. Let's go up.
Hello!